Adopt an Angel is a program with St. Luke's Crittenton Children's Center and our foster care program, home-based services, and residential for Christmas. Individuals adopt a wish list and buy gifts for those kids, and then we deliver those to them at Christmas. Once your gifts arrive at Crittenton, they're brought to Santa's Workshop, aka our community room. Our volunteers and team members that help with Adopt an Angel come in here. They'll take one of these boxes, look at the wish list that's on it. Here Michelle is checking in a gift bag right now. She will make sure that the clothing are the accurate sizes, the toys are what he asks for, that type of thing. We're in our toy and game room now in Santa's Workshop. We have board games, we have puzzles, we have Legos, dolls, generous donations from our donors that we supplement kids' bags with. We also have lots of children in foster care that are under age 1 or toddlers. These are the diapers that have been donated, much of the clothing that has been donated to supplement bags if needed, or for kids that come into care just before the holidays. These are some of our general items that are donated. We try to sort them in categories with books, children's books, books for teens. We also have sports equipment and stuffed animals, all to supplement the bags or to care for kids that come in a few days before Christmas that we need to make gift bags for.
We are having a lovely wrapping group who has agreed to come over and wrap presents for the children. Volunteers will grab a bag and they'll bring it to a wrapping station. And then as they go through, they will have a list where they're going to list every item that's in the bag. They're going to wrap it, put this list inside of the bag, tie it with a green ribbon. We put them in green bags so it's easier for workers to carry. So this just makes it a lot easier for workers to be able to take it to the children all at once. Once the worker takes the completed bag, they deliver it to the home where the children are, and then the children get to open those Christmas morning.